Your Moodle course structure and your sales strategy do not have to use the same categories. In this tutorial, we will create a modern commerce category, assign it to a product, and use it to filter the customer catalogue. A Moodle course category organizes courses inside the learning platform. A modern commerce category organizes the products you sell. Assigning a commerce category changes the product classification without moving the linked Moodle course. This separation gives you merchandising freedom. One modern commerce category can group individual course products, bundles, and programs around a customer need, even when their Moodle courses live in different learning categories. The category can support administration, catalogue filtering, product counts, storefront category tiles, and product category coupon targeting. In modern commerce administration, select Categories. This page manages product categories, not Moodle course categories. Each row shows the category name and description, its generated slug, the number of assigned products, and whether the category is visible or hidden. The action menu supports editing and deletion, while the drag handle controls the saved display order. Select New Category to open the Category Details drawer. Name is required. It identifies the product group and becomes the basis of the generated slug. Enter Leadership Offers, because this group will bring together products for managers and emerging leaders. Description is optional. Use it to explain the category's merchandising purpose. Enter Products for managers and emerging leaders. Visible has two states. Off saves the category as hidden. On saves it as visible and allows it to participate in the customer-facing category experience. This setting does not change the visibility of the assigned product or Moodle course. Leave visible on for this example. Cancel closes the drawer without saving. We want to keep this category, so leave Cancel untouched. Save Changes stores the name, description, and visibility. Click it now. Modern Commerce creates a unique slug, adds the category to the saved order, closes the drawer, and refreshes the table. The saved row confirms leadership offers, the generated slug, 0 assigned products, and visible status. 0 is correct because the category exists, but no product has been assigned to it yet. Now open the prepared course product, Leadership Essentials, and select Edit. The linked Moodle course remains unchanged. We are editing the product that Modern Commerce sells. Category sets the product's primary Modern Commerce category. All categories leaves the product outside a named commerce group. The other choices are the categories created by your site. Select Leadership Offers, because this product belongs to our leadership merchandising group. Select Save Changes to store the assignment. After the product list reloads, the category column confirms leadership offers. Returning to categories also shows that the product count has increased from 0 to 1. The same category decision is available for bundles and programs. This means leadership offers can contain an individual course product, a leadership toolkit bundle, and an emerging leaders program. Moodle course categories cannot provide this cross-product merchandising view because they organize courses, not commerce offers. Open the customer catalogue through a category tile or category link. Modern Commerce carries the product category into the catalogue and limits the results to assigned items. Opening leadership offers now brings the course product, bundle, and program together in one filtered result. The filtered catalogue now shows the assigned leadership offer. As more course products, bundles, or programs are assigned to this category, they can appear together in the same customer-facing result. The Moodle course itself remains in its original Moodle course category. Modern Commerce also keeps product category and course category as separate coupon targets. Choose product category when the promotion should follow the offers you sell. Choose course category when it should follow Moodle's learning structure. That is how to create, assign, and verify a category in modern commerce. Use Moodle course categories to organize learning, and modern commerce categories to organize, present, and target the products you sell. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and leave a comment. For additional help, contact us through the link in the description or bio.